everyone, it's Channon Rose, and in today's video we are going to be announcing the gender. By the way, I'm super sick right now, and that's why I am looking like this. Now, I just want to make it really clear at the very beginning of this video that I am not pregnant, but because we're doing IVF, our situation's a lot different, and we got the testing back. We did PGS testing, we got it back, and we were shocked that every single one of the embryos that were genetically normal were all the same gender. In fact, at the very beginning, we had 7 embryos that survived, and all 7 were the same gender, which is just crazy. Even the doctor said it's like really rare that she ever sees that. Because of that unique situation, we decided to do a gender reveal, because originally we planned that we would get the testing back and whatever embryos were normal, we assumed that there would be, you know, maybe a boy and a girl, and we were, well, my plan was just to let them choose randomly and then just put it in without telling us, and then we would do a normal gender reveal and find out normal like everyone else, because we try to do, even though the situation is not very normal, we wanted to try to do it as like normal and natural like as we could. So that was the original plan. But then when we found this out, it kind of threw us for a loop, and we were like, oh my goodness, we now know what the gender is going to be. So do we wait to do a gender reveal until after we're pregnant? I feel like I'm like keeping something from you guys, and I don't really love that. And so I just am so excited that I really wanted to share it with you guys, because I don't know, we're sharing our whole journey and this is part of it. So I really want you guys to like watch till the end of the video, because in this video we wanted to show you guys like our family's reaction to having all the same gender and what their reactions were, and then we'll do a separate video of Travis and I's reaction to the gender, and also the phone call from our doctor talking about like the embryos, how many were actually genetically normal, and her thoughts on all of the same gender embryos surviving. So we're going to be doing things a little bit differently because of this unique situation that we're going through, and because we're doing IVF, we thought we would do a gender reveal, and then you guys will be able to find out like kind of as we find out. Does that make sense? So some people might be confused, like, why are you doing a gender reveal? You're not even pregnant yet. Well, because we are doing IVF, so it's a little bit different. And we got all of the same gender of embryos, that's why. And so because we just found out this news, we want to share it with you. And then, you know, when we do the transfer and we find out if we're pregnant or not, we'll share that with you. And then probably our big reveal will be the name reveal, and that will be, you know, closer to when we're about to give birth, probably like a month before we give birth or something, we'll do a name reveal. So that's going to kind of be like the way that we do things. We're just going to be doing them a little bit different than most, but we thought this was really exciting, and so we wanted to share it with you. So yeah, without further ado, let's find out the gender of the embryos. Okay, so we got a call from our doctor about the PGS results. Okay. And, you know, we had 7 embryos. Yeah. So out of those 7, 3 survived. Okay. And it was kind of a unique situation because all 3 of the embryos are the same gender. Oh.
Technically.
Technically all 7 were the same gender.
What?
Yes.
Are you serious?
How's
that possible?
Really
She said it's like not common.
Very unheard of.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
that's crazy.
I know. So,
So,
do you want to find out what the gender is?
yeah, obviously.
Okay, so we got Puffer for you.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah.
Awesome. Do I get to guess?
Ooh.
A girl.
You guess it's
A
all girl?
Yeah.
All 3?
All 3 are girls.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's what your guess is?
Yeah.
Okay. So here's your Puffer.
I'm scared of this thing.
Okay, hold on, wait.
Well,
how do we do
don't
it?
aim
Here,
it
come
towards
up.
us, huh?
Let's put Snow over there though, because I don't want to scare her.
Okay, we'll go back here.
Backward and away from the body.
Are we sure we can do this inside?
I'm pretty sure.
You
Okay,
can't.
so you twist
It'll
here.
make a huge mess.
Twist here, and then it's gonna pop out here. Ready? 1,
Okay,
2. Oh, I feel like you're up really high.
Well,
Didn't do it. It might be kind of hard to twist.
Yeah, you're gonna have. I think you.
1.
Does
oh
it,
my god! Are you serious? Oh my god! I was so wrong.
blew her load.
Well, that answers that question.
Isn't that
That's
crazy?
crazy, huh?
What? Oh my gosh, what?
I was so shocked.
That's crazy.
I know. I honestly I couldn't believe it when she told me. I was like, oh my gosh.
That's crazy.
I know.
And so exciting. Well, that
Oh,
answers your
boy.
questions.
I know. We don't have to
Like,
worry
oh,
about
which
like,
one
which
should
one
we
should we do.
Isn't
What?
that-
That's crazy.
I
all
know.
seven
So how
were
is
boys.
the 3 tested? Like 3?
So out of the other 4, like we're chromosomally.
Oh, they were. Oh, so
Yeah.
the 3 are like the good ones.
Yeah. So the 3 are like the genetically normal ones.
Got it. Oh my god!
Boy.
What the heck?
I know. I'm like I cannot believe it.
Yeah,
I'm like,
what?
oh my
How
god.
is it
Made
possible they were all
7
boys?
She's like I don't see that often. And then she was like, I was really surprised that you had a girl. That's so crazy. I was
That
like,
is so crazy. I thought, oh, they're all the same. Clearly, it's a girl.
right.
Honey, that's not fair. What is
Okay.
this? Whoa!
Whoa.
Wow.
I know. I'm like still kind of
Yeah,
trying to
what?
process it.
That's
'cause I just like
crazy.
picture
It
myself
worked
as another
out
girl,
well.
like having
Yeah.
a girl and had a
Because-
Well, we
name.
just had that conversation.
I know.
Had a girl name.
I
Had,
know.
yeah.
Well, and it worked out because the poppers were already at Mama
So
Joe's.
these were moms.
Oh.
We didn't even have to buy them. We still have extra just in
There's
case.
2
Oh, that is so funny.
Yeah.
But yeah, how crazy
We
is
used
that?
all the
That's
girl ones.
crazy.
I know. Look at this mess in our
Well,
house.
so that answers.
The next
That's what our house looks like.
one should be a boy.
Yeah.
And then after that, like.
Hey, Mom.
Hi, sweetie.
I'm not telling you till you get home.
What? Why?
Because.
Why?
You're
That's not fair.
You want to get off early now.
gonna have to get off early.
She's got a stress cough coming along.
No, you have to tell me because I have a training after work. I'm going to Beverly Hills and I'm coming home until really late.
Oh, then I guess we'll have to wait till tomorrow.
Oh, come over after work.
I
Or
don't think
after
so. I'll call Brittany.
You'll call Brittany? I haven't told Brittany yet.
Should I guess?
You can guess.
You have 5.
Okay.
4 are girls and 1 is a boy.
Nope.
Oh my, you
You
can't
have
keep telling her.
3.
She's going to keep guessing until she gets.
I'm not gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell you in person. Do you want, should I just tell her? No, I can't tell you.
That is so not fair.
It's a fun game.
You can
It'll
be the
fun.
first to know. Wait, you have training and
You don't like secrets. You would never wait.
I know, that's why I'm having a hard time even right now not telling you.
Where's Snow? Let me ask her.
She's asleep. Mom, you're gonna be shocked.
You have
You give her
7.
way too much
Okay, Travis says I'm giving you way too much
information.
information. Okay, so
Okay, you guys are jerks.
when are you gonna be home?
I'm not going to be home till like 9 o'clock or later.
Oh my god, why so late, Mom?
I told you we have a training tonight. I wasn't lying.
So just tell her, just come stay here then tonight.
No, she's not gonna stay here. She's gonna be tired. All right, well then, I'm gonna have to wait till tomorrow. Mom,
What are
babe,
you
can I
telling
just tell her?
When are you telling Britt?
I mean, yeah, if you want, you're gonna.
You're
It's such a fun idea
I
though
know
that
it's
we had.
You know it's good?
Yeah.
It's such a fun idea that we were gonna do though.
Okay, Snow's waking up, so we're gonna have. Let me just. I know we can still do it with my dad and Brittany. All right, are you ready? I'm gonna tell you.
Yeah.
Are you sitting down?
No. Whoa, I just caught my watch and I just scraped it up against the whole
Oh, I
wall.
feel like your mom
Okay,
just
so
doesn't get
She
the fun part
doesn't.
of
She
it.
doesn't want the fun part. She just wants to know, right?
It's such a
What's the
fun
fun
game.
part?
Well, we were gonna do like a game,
It's gonna be such a fun game.
but we'll just do it with everyone
It's gonna
else.
be a-
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. Are you ready?
No, do it like this. First, tell her
Hold on.
how-
Let me mute her. Hold on. Can you hear me, Mom?
tell someone else. She's telling me
She
how
can't
many
hear.
embryos they have.
Tell her, or let her know how much, and then be like, okay.
Okay, you guess.
Guess embryo number 1.
Okay.
And then see what she says, and then say no. Bull.
Wait. Okay.
And then
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So out of the 7 embryos,
Oh, I forgot. I thought you had 8.
No, we only had 7. So out of the 7, only 3 were chromosomally normal.
Okay.
Okay, so out of the 3, what do you think?
Yes, number 1.
What do you
number 2,
think
number 3. Yeah.
out of the 3 the
Okay.
genders are?
All girls. No.
Yeah, just say embryo
2
number 1.
boys and 1 girl.
Okay, embryo number 1.
Take a guess.
Take a guess.
Is that the strongest one?
No, they're all, so there's one of the strongest one. That's the one that we're going to implant first.
Is that number 1?
Number 1 is a
Is
boy.
a girl.
Is a boy.
Let her guess first, please.
She already guessed 3 times now, honey.
No, each one.
I'm going to. Okay, what do you think number 2 is?
God. I guess a boy. Oh my God.
And what do you think number 3 is?
Number 3 friggin' is a boy.
Mom, all 7 were boys.
No way.
Yeah.
Travis, what were you doing?
Can you believe that?
Oh my God. That is crazy.
She says she rarely sees that.
Oh my God.
I know.
That is nuts. Yay! You have 3.
3 boys.
Yay! Do they want to implant 2
No.
or
No.
just 1?
No, just 1.
You're like, no way.
No way. I know.
That's great news.
I know. So we got our PGS call.
Your what now?
Our testing. Remember we tested our embryos?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Okay, so we had 7, and out of the 7, 3 are normal.
3 are normal?
Yeah, so we only have 3. And then we found out the gender of each of the 3.
Oh really?
So you there's 3 in here, and you're gonna open them up and see what the gender is of each one.
Okay. So this is this one.
Yep.
Alright. A boy. Yeah, baby. He's having a boy.
Can you get it open?
You're gonna have a little brother.
So the
Whoa.
first one is a boy.
Woo! Look. Come here. See this? See this?
Yeah,
Say, okay, I want a boy. Woo!
Okay.
Alright.
Next one.
Woo! Another boy? Oh my God!
Boy, oh boy.
Snowy! You're gonna get 2 brothers! Maybe 3. Let's see what this last one is. Woo! No! They're all boys? Oh my gosh, Snowy! Here!
So
Are
out
you
of-
kidding
Out
me?
of all 7, they were all boys.
Unbelievable.
Can you believe that? Are you so excited?
Look! You're gonna have a brother! Woo! Wee!
Isn't that so crazy?
Travis Jr. Yeah, baby. Yay! Say, Grandpa's right here. That's great.
Isn't that so cool?
That is. I can't wait.
Hi, sister.
How's it going?
Good. How are you?
Good.
So we got our results back. And out of the 7, we had 3 that were genetically normal. And do you want to guess what they were?
2 boys and 1 girl.
Close.
2 girls and 1 boy.
Nope.
They're all girls. They're all boys.
Yeah.
Oh,
I know. And not only that, but all 7 were boys. Isn't that crazy?
oh my gosh.
I know.
Guess you're having a boy.
I guess so. I know.
His name in Scotty's clothes.
Yes. I know. So crazy. We're excited though.
That's so crazy.
I know.
Oh, is Trav so excited?
Yeah, he was really excited. Our doctor was like, it's really rare that that happens normally. She was like, I was hoping you already had a girl.
7 boys.
Oh, isn't that insane? She's like, that's why I was so surprised to see that you had a girl.
I cannot believe there are 3 boys.
I know. I know.
Oh my God, you're gonna have a boy.
I know. It's so crazy. And I'm like, I don't even have a boy name picked out. I'm gonna have to think of one.
Oh.
I was like so expecting to just have another girl.
So was I. I was like, oh, just do another girl.
Yeah.
Just sisters. Oh my God.
I know. So crazy. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know.
Oh my God, that's so exciting.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, let us know if you have any unique name ideas. Let us know down in the comment section. I'm sending you all my love and all my positive energy, and I hope to see you in my next video. Mwah!